compatibility with non-Creality filaments. Oh, okay. I've been printing with non-Creality filaments for a long time now, and it works fine without any problems. And what do you need to do after you have updated your 3D printers? Hello, welcome to Scratch 3D Printing. In this video, we will be taking a look at Ender-3 V3 newest firmware update. Let's scratch today's topic. Okay, so I just turned on my Ender-3 V3 right now, and we will be taking a look at this right here. It's gonna prompt us with a new update. Right there, new version is found. The current version is 1.2.1.3. The newest version is 1.2.1.13. which is weird. I said this before, it seems like a downgrade, but people say it's an upgrade, and it is, but the number is just weird. It should have been like a 3.1 or something. 0.3, I feel like it's bigger than 0.1. If it's 0.03, then yeah, it's true, but let's not talk about that. We are here for the new version. The screen here is small, we can scroll up, but I'll be taking a look at what is new on the computer instead of here. But right now, I'm gonna click download, and let's download this thing. Okay, right now I am in Creality Cloud. We can go to download, click firmware, go to Ender series, scroll down until we find Ender-3 V3, and look at this. It was updated on May 13th, and the version is this. So let's take a look at what it is. Description, let's go. There's so many things in this new update, which is very nice. 1.2.1.13 firmware update instructions. Okay, the first thing is optimize automatic leveling performance and enhance compatibility with non-Creality filaments. Oh, okay. I've been printing with non-Creality filaments for a long time now, and it works fine without any problems. Thanks to new TD for the valuable feedback. Okay, thank you to new TD, I guess. Optimize error reporting parameters such as thermal runaway and motherboard fan to improve user experience. Thank you! Yeah, that has been a huge problem with the Ender-3 V3 and the K1 series, and it's just problems with Creality's printers, I guess. Because for whatever reason, it keeps saying that the motherboard fan is not working well and it's stuff like that. And sometimes the thermal for the nozzle breaks, right? It's like it's not heating up correctly, or sometimes it's overheating and then it just crash, gives you an error. You can restart the printer. Hopefully it's fixed now. Update the built-in G code to improve the printing effect. Okay, so it looks like they updated a different kind of G code for the Ender-3 V3 when you are slicing or something like that. Optimize first layer printing effect. Like what kind of effect? Is it like wobbly effect, or make it so that it sticks better, or something like that? It looks like Creality is really pushing first layer to be really good, which is always nice. Repair the display for effect of German, Russian, Japanese, and Turkish language. More language is more better. Regarding the accumulated printing time in this machine, it will be cleared after the machine is restored to factory setting. Okay. So let's say I have been printing with the Ender-3 V3 for like what, 100 to 200 or even thousands of hours. I can just factory reset it, and then it was just like, it's brand new. This machine was never been printing on. Something like that. If that's what it means, then people could potentially do that, to be very honest. Add special characters to upper bracket, or whatever this is, a caret to keyboard. Okay, that's nice. Add root confirmation to the setting page. I thought this was already added to like a couple updates ago, but it's good that they put it out there again. Let's go. Modify the problem that the self-check binding this device page will not refresh automatically after binding. I have not had this problem yet because I don't really do the self-check on the Ender-3 V3. Besides, from the first time I unbox it, I just do it on Orca Slicer or in Fluid Interface, and it's so much easier. Change cursor and Wi-Fi password input field to white. Okay, and other issue fixes. Wow, that is nice. That is a lot of things for the Ender-3 V3. Let's summarize this thing. They optimized non-filament to work with the Ender-3 V3. Okay, they fixed some errors such as the thermal runaway and motherboard fan, which is nice. Improved better G codes, improve first layer and stuff like that, which is always nice. Now it has done updated, so after every update it says that we need to redo the calibration, everything. I'll click cancel and just do that later. Let's see if there are anything different. I hate it. Why did they do this? Why don't they just do the same thing as the K1 Max and just use a slider. Okay, these things are still showing. Yeah, look at that, our new version. And we root a confirmation. Yeah, it's been there. It's been there for like a long time ago, but let's go. It's working. Hopefully. Okay, I just did the update on my Ender-3 V3. We went through all the updated feature on the Ender-3 V3. And what do you need to do after you have updated your 3D printers? Well, every single time you have updated your 3D printers to a new firmware, right? There are some things that are going to be changed in your 3D printer's G-code, and maybe the bed mesh, the things that you have previously updated or modified on your 3D printers, it will potentially get resetted to the new firmware on your 3D printers. So you will need to do your calibration on your 3D printers, either bed leveling, input shaping, or other calibrations that you normally do on your 3D printers. For me, I'm going to redo the bed calibration and the input shaping. Maybe I would do the PID tuning for the bed and the nozzle, but I don't know about that yet. And hopefully the motherboard fan error is fixed. The wire that they keep saying that, hey, one of the wire is unplugged, you need to plug this back in. I don't really think that is true, to be very honest. Sometimes, but most of the time that is not quite true. On my Cable Max, if you haven't seen that yet, I updated to the new firmware and everything got reset to Creality's new firmware, right? All the G codes and everything, all the files that are new and I downloaded to the Cable Max got all wiped out, and it's not there anymore. So I get an error, and when I search this error, people say that it's the motherboard fan and wire, it's the nozzle wire. No, it's not that. It's just that files are missing. But I don't have any error on the Ender-3 V3 because I did not root it and I did not add anything to it because it prints amazing, so I don't want to mess around with it anymore. And yeah, it's working fine, but if you add something to it, just try and check that and see if that file or that thing that you added before the update is still there. If it's there and the error still appear, then it might be something else. But if it's not there and the errors appear, it could potentially be that thing. Hopefully this new firmware update makes the Ender-3 V3 so much better. It is a really good 3D printer right now. If you are interested in the Ender-3 V3, I will leave a link down below. And Creality is having a huge sales going on, so grab it while it lasts. And yeah, that is it with this video of me updating my Ender-3 V3 to the newest and latest firmware. Hopefully it does not break and it works fine. I will update you guys in the future if anything breaks and if I found any errors that still occur on the Ender-3 V3. But that'll be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed these kind of videos, and I hope you guys enjoy my channel and the style of videos that I'm making. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep on 3D printing.